Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this Motorola. First of all, you need to find an app called Files, and when you find it, click on it. Then click on Browse in the middle at the bottom if it's not already on, and select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!